Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix blank white desktop shortcut icons. So if your shortcut icons look something similar to this, then how we fix this is come over to our start menu and search for run, and then head over to the run app. Inside of this search box, we're just going to search for %, local app data, %, and hit enter. And then from this folder, the first thing we need to do is come over to view, click on show, and then make sure hidden items is checked down here. And then come over to this folder and scroll all the way down. And you should see a file in here called iconcache.db. Now all we're going to do is just right click on this file and select the trash icon. Then if we head back over to our desktop, so what we're going to do now is come back over to the start menu and search for task manager. Head over to the task manager window, and from this list of processes you need to locate a file called Windows Explorer. What we're going to do is just right click on Windows Explorer and then go ahead and select restart. And once you've done that, you can check to see if that fixes the issue. Now that should have fixed the issue for you. If that's still not working, another thing you can do is just right click on the icon that you're having issues with, come over to properties, and then select change icon down here. From here we have a bunch of icons to choose from, but unless you know where the original icon was saved, then this might not be very helpful just uploading a random image. So another thing we can do is just close out of here, and you'll need to head back over to the start menu and this time search for CMD and right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Sometimes what can happen is our system files get corrupted, and this can cause our icons to display like this. So how we're going to fix it is just type in this command sfc /scan now and hit enter. And this is going to perform a full system scan on all of your Windows system files just to ensure that nothing's damaged or missing. So you need to wait for this verification to get to 100%, and if any issues are detected, then it will go ahead and repair them inside of this window. And that's it guys. Let me know in the comments if this did or didn't work. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.